Hi everyone, my name is Mohak Mundra and I'm the head of Alliance for the Looker and Quantify partnership. I also lead the data and analytics business on Google Cloud for Quantify.
Hey, hi everyone. This is Gaurav here, and I lead the conversation practice for Quantify. Hope everyone is doing healthy and well amidst this difficult time. My focus is to help businesses leverage the power of AI and data to transform the customer service experience by creating exceptional and personalized customer experiences at scale. Today, we are going to talk about the challenges faced by contact centers in the telecom industry and how we can leverage AI and data solutions on Looker to enable the digital transformation journey for telcos. Let me start with a quick intro to Quantify and what we do. Quantify is a data solutions and applied AI firm. We started our journey in 2013 and founded on two basic principles. First, cloud technology, data analytics, and machine learning has the ability to transform businesses and take the next big leap. Other is many organizations don't have the right talent to use cloud, data analytics, and machine learning, and we will help businesses bridge that gap. We have been growing at a pace of three times year over year, and today we are a team of around 1,400 professionals spread over the globe. During this journey, we have partnered with Google. We have been Google partner for over 4 to 5 years now, and have received multiple awards like Machine Learning Partner of the Year, Social Impact Partner of the Year, etc. Uh, Today, we have around over 400 GCP and Looker certified professionals. There are two broad categories of work we do. One is around applied AI and machine learning, and second around data analytics. Telecom is one of the focus industry verticals for us, and today we are going to talk about how we are using AI and data solutions to enable the digital transformation journey for telcos. Let's step back for a moment and think about your experience on a typical contact center interaction. If your problem happens to occur between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday to Friday, then great, otherwise, you're out of luck. When you call, you're told that your call is important, but our agents are assisting other callers. And when you finally, when finally the music stops and you get to an agent, you find that they cannot help you, and your call is getting transferred to a different agent, and you have to repeat the issue all over again. Sadly, this happens to more than half to half the customers with an average wait time of 1 to 4 minutes. Around 15% of these customers get frustrated and drop off from the call without getting their queries resolved, leading to almost 2% churn every month. And let's not forget, this churn is not a churn of one customer. Each dissatisfied customer spreads the word to his friends and colleagues, almost 13 friends and colleagues. And there are many more such challenges which customers face and contact center agents face on a daily basis. And that is where the technology we are going to talk about today is going to help you. In order to solve these challenges, Google has built an end-to-end solution suite called Contact Center AI. This Contact Center AI solution has got four major components. First, the conversational core. Second, virtual agent, agent assist, and insights. Um, the conversational core is basically the AI brain with the ability to talk, understand, and interact, enabling and orchestrating high quality conversational experiences at scale. Second is virtual agent. It is basically essentially the dialog flow solution with its best in class NLU engine that helps converse naturally with the customers, identifying and addressing their issues effectively. It can be deployed as a chatbot, voice bot, telephony bot, email bot, or SMS bot. It can also be deployed on multiple social media channels and integrate with your fulfillment systems to provide personalized responses to the customer. The beauty of the solution is you don't need to rip and replace your current infrastructure. Google Contact Center AI complements your current setup and brings in AI to the contact center with partnership with these existing with your existing contact center providers. Agent Assist basically assists human agents to answer the user queries effectively, sharing initial context and providing real-time turn-by-turn guidance. Once the handover is made to the live agent, the agent receives a complete history of the conversation that has occurred between the virtual agent and the user, Also, Agent Assist provides real-time suggestions by pulling up relevant information from the knowledge base to help human agents answer queries faster. Um, the last component, Insights, helps you determine metrics and trends in real time, getting more accurate insights faster. It can help identify the sentiment around the responses and get analytics with respect to call drivers, etc., to learn more about the interactions and use those insights to improve the overall customer experience. Let's double down on how Looker can help with the contact center insights I just talked about. Advanced analytics has fundamentally changed the role of contact centers from a basic service offering and a net cost to the business to a strategic differentiator that can make dramatic improvements in customer satisfaction and help generate revenue. Around one third of the organizations feel that they are using advanced analytics to create value. This finding reveals significant missed opportunity. Lucan can help in bridging this gap. One of the biggest challenges telcos faced is to get a 360 view of the customer. Understand what the user are calling for, where are they calling from, etc. Looker's real-time dashboards and data refresh features will help you to create live dashboards and provide real-time insights as to how the customer is feeling at that time, which agent is assigned to which customers, or wait time for different customers, major call drivers, all in real time. Understanding the user sentiment and taking the required action for customer satisfaction is of utmost importance for the telecom industry. That's where the Looker's ability to combine all the data sources and creating an omni-channel experience helps in understanding the user sentiment from a wide variety of data sources. Another interesting feature that Looker offers is scheduling email alerts. One can schedule alerts if a particular KPI or a metric goes above or below the threshold value. This helps in keeping track of when and where the contact centers are going wrong, and they can then proactively take measures to remediate that effect. Looker, being the best-in-class analytics platform, also enables users to analyze different contact center related KPIs. Its drill down capabilities in performing root cause analysis without any hassle is very useful. The unified metrics make the process of analyzing data even easier and faster.
Now that we have seen how Looker can be a technology component in driving actionable insights in contact centers, let us walk you through how we design an insights dashboard for one of the largest telecom companies in the world. To comprehend the performance of contact centers, it is imperative that we capture all the touch points between the agent and the customer. What this helps is it presents an aggregated view on a Looker dashboard with defined key performance indicators, which helps in deriving insights for an efficient operation of an overall telecom contact center. As you can see in the dashboard, the first call resolution rate for this telecom customer is pretty low. Nearly 40% of the customers are having to come back multiple times to get their questions answered, which is very undesirable for any customer. This leads to a low customer satisfaction score, which in turn results into 12% customer churn, which in turn leads to revenue loss, which is very impactful for the company overall. What this metrics helps us with? It helps the contact center operations head to identify the agents who are unable to handle certain queries because of which the customers are having to come back. The key action one can take from this is to train those agents with those specific topics so that when the customers come back, they'll be able to answer the queries. We were also able to improve the routing logic on basis of the keywords in the queries so that the calls at the first time are routed to the right experts in that particular domain so that the resolution time overall decreases and it's a better customer experience. By implementing both of these solutions, training for agents and improving routing, this telecom customer was able to improve their first resolution rate by nearly 40%, which is a significant impact. Now let's look at which topic areas had the maximum customer queries and how did this telecom customer drive action through insights and was able to reduce the volume of queries in each of the topic areas. As you can see on the dashboard, the three topic areas where the customers had maximum queries are mobile data, payment, and renewal of their mobile plans. We were also able to determine in each of these topic areas what were the most frequently asked subtopics. For example, within mobile data, user had primary concerns with internet speed, data usage, and connection issue. We also analyzed the query volume by geography to see what could be the potential issue in a specific region. As you can see in the customer volume of queries by geography, we observed that maximum internet related queries were observed in California. So, one probable action could be to investigate the towers in the region to fix the problem at the root level and realize that there is that reduction in customer queries. Apart from this overall dashboard, you can also see there is a Sankey chart. What the Sankey chart shows is if you see each of the size of each of the blocks, it tells you the volumetric in that particular specific area. And this was built on top of customer satisfaction surveys, which were which were sent to customers post resolution of their queries. Let's take an example on a specific topic area of payments. From this chart, what you can see, the highest number of queries at a subtopic level was high bill. And we also understand that even after resolution of these queries, the customers were not happy. That could be potentially due to the time required to resolve the query, or it could be any other problem. What we did on further analysis, we found that the key reason of this high billing charges were because of add-on services which customers tend to forget to turn off during the following month. Based on this analysis, that this telecom customer decided to send a reference email highlighting the add-on packages each customer has and giving them the ability to turn them off before the start of the following month. We can also visualize volume trends of topics on a timeline view to understand the major call drivers in order to plan the right workforce of the contact center appropriately. As you can see in the temporal view, the renewal mobile plans related queries had an upsurge during the month of March. Now the biggest question comes, why there is an upsurge? What this helps us realize is the upsurge is after every new product or service is launched. So what the contact center operation or the telecom customer can do is use this information and provide additional workforce during that particular period to handle these large number of queries. So overall, what do we conclude from this? Using contact center insights and analytics that automatically monitors, analyzes, and scores all the customer agent conversations across multiple systems on a single platform such as Looker can help telecom customers monitor contact center performance objectively and can also optimize their operations. Each agent at the end of every single day is given a personalized scorecard telling how he or she is performing against an agreed metrics on a daily basis, which helps the agent understand and improve in the following days. Additionally, by aggregating all the data into a single view on Looker, it helps supervisors and managers to evaluate and monitor performance of their agents against key quality metrics. It also gives a holistic view and a picture of the entire customer journey and the entire agent team, which can help us understand or highlight the customer trends of queries, and it can also help us understand the areas or topics on which the agents require additional assistance. If we are able to provide both the elements as we spoke about, it can help optimize an entire contact center operations and reduce the cost and improve the customer satisfaction by nearly 25 to 30%, which is pretty significant. Now, we will walk you through how contact center AI can help you modernize your contact centers. We normally use a four-step simple framework to modernize your contact centers, which is control, plan, automate, and optimize. What I'll do now is take each of these steps, talk about the duration one should invest in modernizing in each of these areas, and also dig deeper about what exactly do we do in each of these steps. To start with, control, we start with identification of high volume topics and provide self-service solution for these topics to relieve pressure on agents immediately. In the telecom world, we have noticed that automating three specific user journeys with the power of AI, specific queries like how to reset my password, how do I pay my bill, how do I change my plan, if I just address these three queries in alone can help me reduce the workload on agents by nearly 25%. An average duration for catering this particular step for any contact center is nearly 1 month. The next step after control is plan. The main objective here is to understand the deeper pain points and the areas one should focus on in terms of optimizing the contact center operations. Next, we analyze all the contact center related data to get a holistic view of contact center performance and determine the pain points to see where Google Contact Center AI and Looker can create an impact for your business. The analytics dashboard, as you saw previously, which was built on Looker, makes use of historical chats and call logs to identify the most commonly occurring topics, the current rate of resolution of queries, agent productivity, customer churn rate, sentiment analysis, and many such KPIs, which helps us understand which KPIs are not performing well and which KPIs the contact center operations head should focus on. The average duration for catering this particular step is nearly 4 to 6 weeks. The step after this is main, which is optimization and automation. Since we have identified the high impact use cases that trigger a large volume of calls and demand quick resolution, we automate these via a virtual agent. Thus, a large number of calls is now not handled manually, is but handled by a virtual agent, thus freeing up the agents to engage in more complex resolution. The average duration for automating these processes is anywhere from 2 to 4 months for a large scale contact center. The last piece, which is most crucial for any telecom contact center to innovate in the realm, is optimization. Next, we create an agent assist solution to provide real time, step by step assistance through an agent assist, thus speeding up the query resolution process and reducing the average call handling time. Additionally, agents also get real time upsell and cross sell recommendations from AI based on the customer's past history, previous conversations, and also this helps opening a potential channel of revenue from the customer. For example, providing lucrative mobile data plans upgrades offers at a discounted rate could be offered to premium customers. Use of agent assist and recommendations AI agents not only provide a great customer experience but also help harness additional revenue from customers at zero customer acquisition cost. The rough timeline for optimizing and providing this agent assist solution for large scale contact centers is anywhere from 1 to 2 months. This 4 step framework can actually help you modernize your overall contact center and make a deeper impact and save cost by a significant amount. Anywhere nearly what we have seen with multiple customers is from 25 to 30%, which is very significant and the scale is really large. The digital transformation journey we outlined before can impact any telecom contact center in broadly three different areas. The three different areas are improvement in customer satisfaction, boost in revenue, and reduction in cost. Now I will walk you through each of these areas and dig deeper into it. Improvement in customer experience, providing 24 by 7 self service resolution to queries with human like speech across multiple languages really helps provide a much better customer experience. Studies have shown that there is a 61% improvement in customer satisfaction in companies that combine AI with human interaction. The second point, as I spoke about, is boost in revenue. Economic loss caused by any customer churn is twofold. Firstly, operators lose any future revenue that a churned customer would provide. And secondly, all the marketing funds which were utilized to acquire the customer are also lost. Being such a major part of the revenue, Contact Center AI can help in creating a churn prediction list, including potential causes of churn and subscriber segments. The results are then used to automatically engage customers with targeted and personalized incentive programs and offers depending on the segment that subscriber belongs to. Other way, it helps boost revenue by providing upselling and cross-selling strategies to your contact center agents. Overall, a lot of studies have gone through in understanding how contact center AI can combine and help improve revenue by nearly 38%. The third and the last point is how I can reduce my costs. Due to higher resolution of queries using contact center insights and virtual agents, there is a decrease in the incoming queries, which in turn can reduce the contact center workforce, thereby reducing operational costs. Reducing the response time. Additionally, by providing real time suggestions to agents on how to handle these queries versus them having to look for a response across 10 disparate systems manually, we make it faster for them to respond to the conversation and hence reduce the average call handling time. These solutions can help reduce the customer service cost by as much as 30%, which is very significant in the larger scale of all telecom contact centers, which is nearly in millions of dollars.
Thanks, Mohak, for sharing that. Um, Hope you guys found the session insightful. We have worked with multiple telcos on building these solutions and helping them reduce contact center operations cost as well as improve customer experience. If you are interested in talking about this further and how we can help you on this journey, please feel free to reach out to me or Mohak, and we would love to talk to you about this further. Thanks and have a nice day. Talk to you guys soon.